Hi everyone, back into the video today. I'm hunting for all of my slimes. Guys, I'm having a hard time. So I looked everywhere. Except for these drawers because there was a spider in one of them. So I wonder why. So I'm probably just gonna replace all of my stuff, put all my makeup in there, basically. But anyway, guys, thank you for being on this journey today. Hi, welcome to the slime hunt adventure. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be looking. So this is one, and let me shut my door. Yeah, yink. Just playing. And then I have a nicely. You might want to bring some water or some popcorn along the way. I have some pink lemonade. So, and go watch that last video of me mixing all of my slime. So let's get started. So the first one, we're gonna get all of them, and then we're gonna do. Okay, I think this is my pile with the slimes. Oh, shoot, that's not good. So far, guys. So these are like gonna be my mystery slimes in the summer. Right, my slime that I'm gonna sell in the summer. So if you live down here, you'll be able to get one. But I have green, orange with like mystery and surprises in there, and then I have like this red one. So just three. And I cannot know this slime. But we're not gonna play with these because you can't see them. But if you've seen some videos, you might see the peach and the black, the green, but you probably didn't see the orange. The red. So I'm gonna play with this one slime. Let's do it. Ugh. I have some other slimes on top, but they're Easter slimes. I can give you a little sneak peek of them. I was so excited. Let's get a sneak peek. So this one. Guys, I'm going to do some on camera because I need to make more. But these are just the ones I wanted to make off camera because I don't know if they would turn out right. But they turned out perfect though. So I will try them and make more. Because, okay, for this Easter slime. So I open the door. Making a video. So then I have like this chocolate thing. So when you have it, you can open it. You can take the chocolate thing off. And then you can lift the top up. It's beautiful. Get that little close up on this one. Whoa, look at it. So I'm not going to play with this one. Because you can see it's avalanche. If you guys see. I got to bring this up close. I want you to see this avalanche. It looks yellow at the bottom. Closely. Ooh, that's cool. I know it's cool. So, I'm not playing with this one either because it's rainbow all over. I can play with this one. Okay, so let's play with this one. So this one's very nice. It's very, very nice. It has a lot going on here. It's easy to make avalanche slime with just white slime. I use just white slime for that one. And I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of clear slime on top and put some little Easter bunnies in there and little Easter eggs in there. But I cannot wait to show you how to make Easter surprise, Easter egg, and Easter egg hunt. And for the last one, carrot cake. Carrot cake, I thought it would be a nice slime because bunnies like carrots. So I was like, maybe I make it a carrot cake. But that's for a surprise. But I'm going to do a carrot slime too with some carrot charms. I got all my stuff from Amazon. Or eBay. No, Amazon, I think. Yeah, Amazon. So the next one is a white. I think it's like an orange peach color. You probably like, this is not no slime hunt. But like, I just got my food for none of this. It inflates, but it's very thick. Show it to you. I need to start forgetting to put the thing down so you can see. Wow, look at that. Okay, that's it for sneak peek. Gotta get back to our slime. Oh my god, it always inflates. as all these beautiful chunky. Come on, slime. Go back to the way you used. It might be a problem. There we go. Oh wow. Take a little bit out. This will be okay. I guess I'll be okay taking a little bit out. I don't know a lot, but taking a little bit. Oh. Anyway, hope you like watching, but let's finish. So I'm gonna just have this little bit left. So I guess I'll just save it. Keep it. Ta-da! I'm gonna mix into these slimes. So I have this brown slime that stinks. But you know me. When the slime is just slime. And I think it just stank because this was I took half of my slime smoothie. I can't believe this slime didn't melt because the rest of them that I did this on smoothie melted. This one didn't melt. So I call this my brownie batter or my brownie cake or sprinkles. I don't know. But I will do an update on my slime restock. So let me show you it. It's nice, stretchy, crunchy. Okay, let's look for some more slimes. I'll be back. You guys stay here. I pull my pen off. I can see your butt. No. Okay. Do we have any slime in here? Nope. Just some containers. Do we have any slime in here? Nope. Just some containers. Do we have any slime in here? Oh, these are my restock slimes. These are my restock slimes. Can't play with this one because this avalanche. I know I can't play with that one. I'm so glad I didn't use the Danny mix the other ones. Wait a second. I'm about to say. Let me mix one. Let me mix this one. Is that good enough for you? Yes, it does. Yes, it is. Okay, guys, so on the hunt, I found more slime, but the fact is, the restock slimes. So, for the good news, we only have 2 slimes. And while I'm at it, I want to make this. So I'm making it a nice foam. Nice foam slime. But let's see, will this fit here? Yeah, it will. Ugh. It doesn't smell that bad, but it does stink. Let's see if it fit here. Okay, it does. So I actually found 2, but I have an extra one, which I'm not mixing, but I'll mix it in the slime. So then, guys, for this nice surprise here, we have some avalanche slime. And I really didn't want to mix it because it looks so pretty and nice. But I guess I'll have to mix it because I can always make another one. What? You have to look at that. Half of it's clear and half of it's clay. This is clay. This is clear. Oh my god. This is really cool. I finally wanted to mix it because my friend came over. They mixed the strawberry banana avalanche, which they wasn't supposed to. So this is nice and crunchy. It has a nice texture between clay. Oh my god, what happened to the clear slime? You can kind of see it, but the clear slime was supposed to take over the clay slime. So here, have our blue slime. I have another avalanche. It's the same as this one. So I decided to do the small version instead of the big version. So I only got like one avalanche slime. No, I actually have three. Because the two Easter ones and this one over there. So I have some brown slime, which I do not want. But if you guys stay tuned my next video, I will be doing a makeover. And I don't know how that's going to be hard for this slime, but I will try my best. And this slime, I'll be doing a little makeover on the Easter slime. Make it a better Easter slime. Then on this slime, I'm going to do a makeover on this slime. And make it another avalanche. Just stay tuned. Or I'll make it just a butter slime and I'll just change it up. But I can't give you no hints. You come back, watch the next video, and you see. Bye, guys. Have a nice day. Hope you like this video. Comment down below. You know you like this. Girl. Oh, guys, it keeps saying comment disabled. Let me show you on my phone. I don't know why I keep doing that. But, hey, you see this? But y'all can't see my thing, so I'm about to show you what I gotta be, what it gonna be. Okay, get on YouTube. Let me show you my little channel. 15 views. Good Jesus. Okay, let's do this one. Let's see if it say comments available. Oh, we can do comments on that one. Today I'm doing. Sorry about that. I'm pausing it. You said it on my Snapchat. Okay, here, look. Oh my God. What is this? Tiana says yes to everything for the day. Okay. It says this. Comments disabled. Comments are disabled for this video. So I don't know why does my phone keep doing that. But you see the last video I did. I guess it just switches. So if you would like to put your comments down, you could put it on the other video that I made the day first. We do not put it on the video that's last, because I'm not checking the last videos. I might if I get bored. But I do watch my videos if I get bored. But I don't try to. So guys, I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the video and get a big for my shout out. Come here. Yeah, baby. She's very comfortable. But anyway, give a shout out to my doggy, Aaliyah. And that's it for this video. Bye, guys.